Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. I feel better now after getting sick for 2 weeks. Right now, I'm going to Honda dealership. That's gonna be at the Goodyear Bian Yek area where the Service station is at, in front of it. Quarterly, they come and visit Dumaguete City. I suggest that you call them ahead of time what kind of service you want to avail so that they can let you know if they have parts available or if you have to order the parts or if the service is available, and you can have an appointment with them in advance. So they come here usually for 3 days and every quarter. I'm gonna go there right now for a change oil and replace the door trims for the windows. I'm taking you with me. Okay, let's go.
And we arrived here at Goodyear Auto Care. It's the new Bian Yek branch, and it's in front of Service Bus Terminal. They service any car, make, and model. This place is a reliable car service center. They do oil changes, brakes, batteries, tires, and Honda Service rents out a space here and one of their hydraulic lifts. They usually come out here for 3 days and they came from Honda Service Bacolod or sometimes from Cebu. I have read most of the reviews for Goodyear Auto Care and it's pretty good. I have used Goodyear and Honda Service so far. I am pretty much satisfied with their services. In case you're having trouble starting your car, you can call them and they will come to you to diagnose and try to repair your vehicle on site. If not, you can have it towed to their service center and they can fix it there.
I think they're done. They're done doing my change oil. Now he's doing the window trims. There he's removing all the screws.
Talagang yung sa Accord, talagang fix yung pagka-ano nila. Talagang fit na fit.
Original pa yata yan eh.
Oo. Di tulad na sa ibang model natin. Ma'am, tawag dito namin sa amin. Hindi lang ako sigurado pero tingin ko ano to. Shoreline mist.
Mist?
Kulay.
Shoreline?
Parang silver.
Silver.
Nasa ano sa, belong sa silver na kulay.
Okay.
Pero yung tawag namin dito, yung sa yung kung titimplahan namin, kukunan namin ng code, nag-search kami ng ano, shoreline mist.
Shoreline mist.
Oo.
So more on silver siya.
More on silver.
Shoreline mist is the color. Unsay mo ngalan daw?
Ben ma'am.
Ben. Ben. So yeah, Ben is he's replacing the window strip. He's from Honda, certified Honda technician. So you can wait over there. Inside here. Inside where the Goodyear waiting room is. It's kind of cool in here because they have air conditioning. So if you want, you can wait inside here. Sige. And while waiting, you can go to a pharmacy if you want to buy some pharmacy, and there's a nearby McDonald's over there. And Robinson's is that way. That's the Sarah's Liner station.
Kasi gata din nagyabi.
Tinatanggal pala yun. Ayan, tayo nila.
Pero isa ka ba itong yabi?
Ito, mo itong ibutan ako diya.
Pero isa ka ba itong yabi?
Ako, magaling ito. Kailan ko siya nila. Kadili mo na.
Sir,
The CR here too. If you want to go CR here. got a new rubber now, so the water won't go inside. That's the old one. Just gonna get rid of it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.